Vinny, put it over here, Vinny.
Where?
Put it over the land, not over the water. Put it over the water, Vinny.
I'm scared. I'm scared.
Hey, it's a yellowtail. That's a yellowtail, Vinny. How about that?
It's like I've
Look at
never
that.
been out here.
Wow.
Just like those guys over there.
Yeah, here's the fish.
How about that?
None of them
Wow.
that would definitely knock out one.
Yeah.
How about that, Vinny?
Got one. There's the fish.
What do you think about that?
Hey.
It's amazing.
Thanks, Paul.
No worries. Only been here for 10 minutes.
How about that, Vinny? That didn't take long for it. Oh,
Back over.
that didn't take long at all.
Yeah. Reel in a little bit. So the other way, other direction. Yeah.
He's being very careful.
Yeah. Reel it in a little bit more, just so you can feel it. Okay. You holding us? Good now?
Vinny, quick, get it over. Over here. Hey, just a little one, just a little one. Excuse me. There you go, Paul. Where'd you been, Vinny?
Want me to get him off for you?
Second one.
There we go. Get the little hook out. So these, we've got these little things that Dizo, they're for holding hooks.
Yeah.
Because they're, silicone.
What do you think, Vinny?
Wow, Vinny, look.
Two.
Put him in the water with the other guy. Whoop. Hang on. Oh no.
Wants to die.
Yeah, I'll put him in.
In the water or in the other water?
In the water. There we go. Wow, two little fish. They look excited to be there, don't they?
Yeah.
They love it. They love getting caught. Vinny! Quick! Vinny, look at me! What do you think about that? 3 fish! This one's a bit funny. It's got him on the gills or something.
I wonder what it's going to feel like with the other
How many's
fish.
that?
Amazing.
Careful with the rod.
Oh, yeah.
How many's that?
That's amazing.
How many is it?
Oh, it's 3.
Oh my goodness.
30 in a row.
This is too easy.
Yeah.
It's too easy.
Reel it in, Vinny. Oh, this is a bigger one. Reel it more. More.
Wow.
Bring it over here. Bring it over the land.
What a good day, hey?
Oh my goodness, Paul. Look at that. That's 4. Oh, he fell off. That was lucky. How many's that, Vinny?
4.
They're biting so much, I might try and get him live here. He's got 4 fish. He's on. We're alive. We're alive. If you can do it, I'll try and get the whole thing. 5. This could be big because there's a lot of bait on that hook. Oh, it's just the same as the other ones. Good on you, Vinny. Bring it over, bring it over. That's the way. 5. 5, mister. What the hell's going on, Vinny?
It's like, you're gonna kill me!
Oh, we're not killing him. We're putting him in a bucket over there.
Yeah.
With the other 4. Careful,
then
It
Vinny.
can either become fish cakes or squid food.
Yeah.
One of them.
I'm going to go landscape this time just to be different.
Oh,
So
yeah.
it's starting to get, a little bit
TV.
mundane portrait. Oh, you got another one.
Another one on.
Here's another one. Careful. Get him up, get him up. Wheel it in, wheel it in, wheel it in. Bit more, bit more, bit more.
Alrighty. Wow.
6. He's never been fishing before. How about that?
Hold on, buddy.
Vinny, I want you to tell Nana how many fish you've caught. Is it 1,
No,
2,
no,
3, 4?
no.
How many?
Now it's 7 because I just felt something.
How many have you got?
7 now.
You got one on the line, have you?
Just felt something.
Felt it might have gotten off. We'll see. Do you want
6.
to reel it in slowly and see?
6, Nana.
Easy.
This one's a good one, Vinny. He might need a bit of help. You might need a bit of help. Oh, we just snagged? No, he's still got it. Vinny, what the heck? Oh, it's a snag. Damn it, I thought I was recording. He got two on the same rod. It's like 3 hooks. So this time he had 2 fish out of 3 hooks.
Oh, it's a dead one.
Yeah.
Is he?
Yeah,
One
it's
is
dead.
expired. Might be a bit lower.
Oh, he's up. He's alive. He was moving.
Is he?
Yep.
From the rest. Okay.
So that's 8.
Put it back in.
We
in
got
here.
it.
See a bit so the line's tight, so you feel when the fish bites.
That's it. That's all right.
We'll just wait.
How good is Paul at fishing, hey?
Waiting game.
The student and the teacher.
Yes.
Yeah, I can.
It's been a minute without a fish. Can you, like, you know, can you
Slowly.
lift your game a bit, please?
Really slowly.
If Joey says, how many, did you get any fish? Just say yes. Okay? And if he says, how many? Don't tell him. Just say, oh, I'll show you the videos, okay? And even if he says, serious, just tell me, Vin, just tell me. Tell me. Say, no, Dad said you can't. 9. How many's that? 9.
No. If we get one more, we'll have 10.
That's correct.
Oh, he's a bleeder, this one.
Yeah, oh, that's my hands. That's my hands. I'm cutting up fish. Go.
Oh, there we go. Just stay still. Go. A little look in here.
You're not doing so well. I need to get
Yeah, a little bit more water in here, my boy. Something I can do. This kid, he's pulling them up so quick I can't get him on film. That's 10. That's a big one, actually, isn't he?
He's
It's
a bit more than a little wriggler. He's a big wriggler.
Yeah, he's a big one. Do we
Where's
want to
the
get
wriggling?
more water for them in that bucket? Do you want me to go get it?
What I'll do is I'll drain the bucket later and let them expire, and I'll just keep them in the container with the others.
It's going to smell
The
a bit,
pillies.
that's all.
Yeah.
This is a big one. How is that, Vinny?
10.
Excuse you. Well, I'm resorting to actually filming live now because I can't keep up. And put it back down again. Still got a couple of baits on there. There we go. He's expert now. But if I wait till it's on the line, I won't record it. 10, Vinny. 10.
And which one?
One of them was a drummer, wasn't it? The others were yellowfin. And I sound like an... This guy knows what he's doing now. He's been taught by the experts. Apprentice is the master on day 1. There we go. Go check the bait. There it is. I can see it still on there. So he's going to drop it back down again. Look at that. Look at the technique. Oh, stops it now. It's ready. It's ready to go. Fish is ready. Oh, put your can down, Vinny. That's the way. This is the last throw of the day. Here we go. Pull him up. Oh, he's a big one. He's a brim. Pull it over. Pull it up. Bit more. Bit more. Help me more. Oh no.
Oh.
There's your fish. Trying to give him a kiss. Don't fall back.
Don't pull back.
All right. See you later, buddy.